Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a logo in QBO. This is a quick customization that can make a noticeable difference in how your invoices look when you send them to customers. If you want your invoices to look more professional and match your brand, adding a logo is one of the simplest improvements you can make. It helps create a polished appearance, makes your documents easier for customers to recognize, and gives your invoices a more complete business identity. This can be especially useful if you're sending invoices regularly, because consistent branding makes your business documents feel more trustworthy and recognizable. The good news is that in QuickBooks Online, this process is very quick and easy. To get started, go to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen and click the Settings icon. This is where you'll find many of the tools that control how your account and forms are set up. So, whenever you want to make changes to the way your business information or sales forms appear, this is an important area to know. From the menu, select Custom Form Styles. This section lets you control the appearance of your sales forms, including invoices. If you've never customized your forms before, this is where you can create a new style. If you already have one set up and just want to update it with a logo, you can edit the existing style instead. Editing your existing style is usually the easiest option if you're already happy with the rest of your invoice design. Once you're on the Custom Form Styles page, click New Style in the top right corner if you want to make a brand new invoice style. If you already have a style you use regularly, simply click Edit on that existing form. Either option will take you into the customization area where you can make visual changes to your invoice layout. Creating different styles can also be useful if you need different invoice designs for different parts of your business. Inside the editor, look for the option that says Add Unique Logo. Click that, and then upload the logo file you want to use. Make sure you choose the correct image from your computer, so it reflects the branding you want on your invoices. In most cases, a clear, high-quality image works best, since it will appear on customer-facing documents. Try to use a logo that is easy to read and doesn't look blurry or pixelated, especially when the invoice is viewed digitally or printed. After the logo uploads, you should be able to see it applied to the form style. This is a good time to quickly review how it looks and make sure it appears clean and properly placed. Pay attention to how the logo works with the rest of the invoice, including your business details and other information on the form. If everything looks right, click Done to save your changes. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a logo to your QuickBooks Online invoice style. From here, your invoices will have a more branded, professional look whenever you use that form style. If needed, you can always come back to custom form styles later to update or replace the logo. So if your business goes through a rebrand or you create a better version of your logo, you can easily update your invoices without starting everything over again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.